To create a new poll, navigate to New Poll. The title will be the name of the poll. By selecting this option, the poll will automatically be created and activated. As a consequence, active polls will be deactivated. By selecting this option, you allow for duplicate votes, meaning the person can vote multiple times in the poll. To add an option, click Add Question and input the desired option. In this example, I will add 3 questions. The result field pertains to when the poll results will be shown. In display date, we can set the date and time you want the poll to be live. For example, the 28th of September at 4:33 in the afternoon. Once done, just click Save. The poll has been created and is now active. In the Polls tab, we have access to all the polls that have been previously created. In it, we can view the title, the number of options, the status, that is, whether it's active or deactivated, and whether the option to allow duplicate votes is active or deactivated. We also have access to the poll settings here. By clicking on the magnifying glass, we can view its status, whether it's active or inactive, the title and options, and here are the statistics, how many people responded, which question was focused on the most, and everything else. By clicking on the printer icon, you have the option to print your poll statistics. By clicking on the pencil icon, you can edit the poll. You can decide whether it's active or deactivated, change whether to allow duplicate votes, adjust the display time and date if desired, and also add a new option or remove an option that's already been created. You can also edit the title of your poll. Once you've made the changes, simply click Save. Finally, we have the trash icon, which enables us to delete the poll. Now I'll show you what the poll looks like in your planner. In this way, you can view the video that is being displayed. By clicking on the poll, we can view the title and options. Just select your desired option, the result is shown in real time.